how to add more space in your C drive from your D drive. So I'll show you how you can allocate space from your D drive over to your C drive. Now to do this, you'll need to open up the Start menu on your computer, search for the text Create Partition and click on Create and Format Partitions. Now in order to allocate space over to the C drive, we first need to go in delete the D drive volume. So you can do that just by right clicking on your D drive. You could then press delete volume and you'll get this warning message pop up, and this will basically say all of your data in the D drive will be deleted. So make sure you've backed up all of your data before you go and delete this, and then you can just press yes. Now once your D drive has been deleted, you'll see this unallocated space. So what you can essentially do now is go and assign this over to the C drive. So if you right click on your C drive, you could then press extend volume, click on next. You'll then see the space from the D drive that we just deleted. You can then press next and then press finish. Now as you can see, the space from the D drive has now been allocated over to the C drive.